This quick guide will show you exactly how to deposit money into your Etrade account. Whether you're using the website or the mobile app, I'll make sure you know exactly what to do every step of the way. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Etrade account. You can do this by navigating to the Etrade website on your computer or by opening the Etrade mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you have your login information handy, as you'll need it to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the transfer section. It should be easy to find on the main menu. In the transfer section, you'll want to select Transfer Money. This is where you'll initiate the process of moving funds into your Etrade account. Next, you'll need to choose the bank account from which you want to transfer funds. If you've already linked a bank account, you'll see it listed here. If not, don't worry. Simply select Add Account and follow the prompts to connect your bank. Etrade will guide you through the steps, and it usually takes just a few minutes to get everything set up. After you've selected or added your bank account, it's time to choose the Etrade account where you want to deposit the money. This could be your brokerage account, retirement account, or any other account you have with Etrade. Now, enter the amount you want to deposit. Be sure to double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Once you've done that, you'll have the option to choose the transfer date. If you'd like, you can also set up a recurring deposit schedule. This is a great feature if you plan to make regular deposits over time. Before you finalize the transfer, take a moment to review all the details. Make sure everything looks correct, from the transfer amount to the accounts involved. When you're ready, select Preview Transfer. This will give you one last chance to check everything before confirming. If everything checks out, go ahead and confirm the transfer, and just like that, you've completed the deposit. The funds will be processed and should appear in your Etrade account shortly thereafter. Keep in mind that the exact processing time may vary depending on your bank and the day of the week. And that's how you deposit money into your Etrade account. It's a straightforward process, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll become second nature. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Etrade's customer service for assistance. Thanks for watching and happy trading.